We're gonna have some grape tomatoes soon. You see them?
What are these?
These are hot banana.
So grow bananas?
No, but hot banana peppers.
Oh.
All right, it's time to get supper started this evening. It's Friday night, so that means supper and a dessert. We're gonna make spaghetti and meatballs for supper. And for dessert, peanut butter brownies. But we're not gonna actually make peanut butter brownies. We have, I'm pretty sure, made peanut butter brownies before, but this is gonna be ultimate chocolate brownies with peanut butter in the mix. What'll happen if we just add peanut butter to this brownie mix? We're gonna find out. But we're not stopping there. These aren't just gonna be peanut butter brownies, they're gonna be peanut butter brownie sundaes. We've got some vanilla ice cream. And I'm trying to decide if I wanna make the brownies first and then the meatballs, or go ahead and get the meatballs in the oven and then make the brownies. I think that's what we'll do, meatballs first. I have some ground beef here, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, minced onion, and garlic powder. Sometimes I put breadcrumbs and all in meatballs. I'm not going to this time. We're just gonna go with the seasonings, I think. Sometimes I also put an egg. Oh, thank you, sir. We've got a smoothie mess over here in the sink. So we've got a little over 2 pounds of ground beef in there. Bringing over my seasoning real quick. I just spilt salt, y'all. So now there's salt everywhere. I vacuumed everything off the counter, but I missed some on the floor, yeah. Still got a little salt everywhere, don't we?
Yeah.
So in here with the ground beef, we're gonna put some salt. And pepper. Let me get a little spoon here for this pepper. Now we'll put some garlic powder. A little Italian seasoning. Y'all tell us how you make your meatballs in the comments. I'm pretty sure I do them different every time. I do different things with the meatballs. Let us know your recipes in the comments. Especially if you are Italian. I would love to have your meatball recipe. Okay, where is my, here it is, paddle attachment. Now, I'll use the cookie scoop to scoop out the meatballs. That way they'll all be the same size and we'll get them on a pan. I'll put all my seasonings back up. Sometimes I add Parmesan cheese to the meatballs too, but I don't have any grated Parmesan this time, so we're just gonna leave that out, but that's also really good. We've made spicy meatballs before, where we added some peppers to some of them. Lots of different ways to make meatballs, but I wanna know a traditional Italian grandma's recipe. If you've got it, tell us what it is. We wanna make them. I'm trying to put these as close as possible because they'll shrink up a little bit while they're cooking, so I'm gonna try to get all of this onto one pan. Sissy's in there rearranging her bedroom. She wanted to move stuff around. Like mother, like daughter. That rearranging bug hits. You gotta do it.
Could you tell me just move my barbecue sauce out?
Yeah. Well, this is still gonna take a minute. I'll come help you real quick. Let me wash my hands. Oh, you're putting the headboard over here?
No, I'm gonna put the headboard right here.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna have to slide your desk over too a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Come on, girls. Oh no, we lost somebody. I forget her name. So for the brownies, we're just gonna make the mix just like the box says. We're gonna add some peanut butter. I don't know how much peanut butter to add. I'm wondering, because you know peanut butter has oils in it. I have a natural peanut butter that is just peanuts and salt over there, and it definitely has oil, you know, at the top. I'm wondering if I should use that and just leave out the vegetable oil. Is that what we should try? We just got some out of here, but when this sits for a little while, the oils rise to the top and you have to stir it up, you know. So we'll put a 1/4 cup of that peanut butter, maybe a little more than a 1/4 cup, because I want them to definitely have some peanut butter flavor. We might go with 1/2 cup. 1 egg and a 1/4 cup of water. Now the oven temp for these just needs to be 325, so I'll go ahead and mix this up and then we'll wait for the meatballs to get done and turn the heat down before we put these in the oven. There's our water and the peanut butter. Okay. So this is super thick, a lot thicker than normal, you know, if I would have just used oil. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in here. Not a 1/4 cup though, since we put that peanut butter. I'm probably gonna do like just a couple of tablespoons. That's better. Now we're adding in the chocolate syrup pouch that came with the brownie mix. I'm glad we used that Smucker's Naturals now too, because it does have little bits of peanuts in it, so you can see those kind of mixed throughout the brownie mix. I think that's gonna be really good. I'm just spraying my spatula a little bit so it'll be easier to spread this out. And they'll take probably about 40 minutes to bake in this casserole dish. There we go, now you can see the little bits of peanuts. These are gonna be great, I think.
I want to talk to you about the truth of spaghetti. It's one of the best things that's ever hit the taste bud. But it's probably not something you want to go on your first date. You know what I'm saying? You know, if you're trying to be neat, what should they do, Mama? Go to a place with finger foods?
Or they should just go rotini, go baked ziti, lasagna even.
Baked ziti.
Just skip the spaghetti noodles.
You gotta be bold on your first date to do that. We all know that's good. Okay, y'all, the brownies are great. I can't really taste the peanut butter too much, so next time we try that, we'll add more peanut butter, but they're really good.